Hey, what's going on, guys? A cool trick you can do with the deck of cards. Go ahead, Jesse, pick out any card of free choice. Memorize it. Put it back in the deck. Nothing tricky. Cards get thrown on top. Somewhere lost in the middle. You can cut the cards. Actually, the spectator can cut the cards too if they want. It doesn't matter how many times. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to start going through the cards. Don't tell me when you see your card. I'm going to try to find it. Okay. Jesse, I bet you dinner tonight, steak dinner, the next card I turn over is your card.
Deal.
Deal?
Yep.
Next card I turn over.
Next card you turn over.
Is that your card?
That was my card.
Hope you guys like it. Cool trick you can do anytime, any place, and it's pretty much any sort of bet you want. Gambling's not good, but it's a lot of fun. See you guys.